Imagine you are designing an ATM machine, and when a person uses that machine, he is not only able to see his account balance but is also able to change it to any amount he wants. Sounds unreal, right? Because this doesn't happen in real world, as the softwares are designed with all the safety measures taken into consideration by using the methods of encapsulation. So get ready to clear all your doubts about protecting your data within your code, as I will be explaining you the what, why and how to use encapsulation wisely, so that whenever you create any software solutions, you can enhance the data security and hide internal workings. So first thing first, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the secret keeper of your code. It ensures that the inner working of your class are hidden from the outside world, allowing you to control how your data is accessed and modified. So now we know what is encapsulation, let us understand why it is important. So as you already saw the example of car class in our previous video, imagine without encapsulation, you would risk accidental changes to critical data or unauthorized access. Encapsulation helps prevent these issues by providing a clear boundary between what's inside the class and what's outside. So let's head to the screen to understand things more clearly. So as you can see this car class that we have created in the previous video with few attributes and methods. So if I write object1.make, it gives me BMW, as our object1 was BMW. What if I try to change this object1's make to Lexus, and if I run it, I can see the changes are happening. If I write display, I can see that the make has been changed to Lexus, which was previously BMW. So this is something that we should take care of so that nobody can do the unnecessary changes in our data. So to handle this situation, we'll make our variables private so that nobody can access it. And to make it private, we just add a double underscore before the name of our variable. Similarly, we will add the double underscore inside the functions. And now if I try to check the object1.make, I can get an error which says car object has no attribute make. And now I can see no variables that I can access. So now we have successfully hidden our variables and nobody else can change it. But guys, nothing is truly private in Python. And what if someone really wants to view what is stored inside those variables and edit the values in the variable if needed? So for this we have the getter and setter methods which will help us fetch the hidden informations. So let's head to the screen again and see how to create these methods. So first we will be creating a getter method. I will write define, get, make, pass self and print whatever is inside the make. And now if I run it, I can see the make is BMW. And if I write object1.getMake, I can view the make, that is BMW. Now what if I want to set something else? I will create a setter method. It defines setMake, self, and here to add a security, we will also take a pin. So I will create a private variable named pin and set a pin like 1234. And inside this setMake function, we will take an input from the user, enter the pin, and now we will check if the input is equal to our set pin. So I'll write self.pin. Then he can do the necessary changes. So I will write self.make is equal to input. Enter the new make. And then we will call the display function to display the changes. Else print incorrect pin. You cannot do the changes. So let's check this function. I have created the object. Now we can see the make is BMW. I will write obj1 dot set make. Let's give a wrong pin. It says incorrect pin, you cannot do the changes. Now if I give the right pin and change it to Lexus, I can see I have done the necessary changes. Now if I check obj1.getMake, I can see it has been changed to Lexus. Not only variables, but we can also make our methods private. So here I have added a double underscore before start engine method. And now if I check it, object1.startEngine, I will get an error because now as it is a private method, nobody can access it. So that's how you perform encapsulation, and I hope now you are pretty much clear about the importance of it. But that's just one of the pillars of OOP, and we have a lot more to cover, so stay tuned. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, they are on your screen, so check it out and I will see you there. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.